This is a lab program to find sum of two numbers. In this program I am using NumPy. NumPy is a package where you can use many matrix operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division can be done directly, which are predefined in this package NumPy. And I am using a variable n to store both the values of my rows and columns. I am taking a common row and common column. If needed, you can take n cross m, but to make it simple, I am storing it as n, that is 2 cross 2 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix, something like that I am executing here. And next is str. I am reading the values for the matrix and I am storing it in a string format. You have to observe this carefully. I am storing it in string format. After storing in string format, I am using reshape method. Reshape is a method used to shape the given matrix elements into matrix format. Matrix is also a method where it takes two arguments, that is str1, that is the name of the string which have been stored the values, and next is to how many rows and how many columns you are making your matrix. In my case, I said it is equal to 2 cross 2 matrix, so it is n cross n comma n. First is rows and the second one is column, and I am printing my matrix A, and I am doing same with the matrix B. I am reshaping it using reshape method, and here I am concatenating or adding two matrix and storing it in value C. In Java and all, you had heard about operator overloading, where you will be adding two matrix using operator overloading. You will be overloading your plus operator. But in Python, no need to write so long programs for overloading an operator. It is directly or inbuilt written in NumPy method. So this is the package where it is supporting reshape, additional operator, that is operator overloading, where A and B both are matrix, but you can directly add those matrix and store in C. And I am printing my resultant matrix. Now let us see how will this program be executed. And I am storing my program in the file name called p8.py, and it will be asking enter number of rows and columns. So I have taken it as 2 to keep it simple. Enter n cross n matrix element, that is first matrix. I said it is a string, so you cannot give enter, 1 enter, 2 enter, 3, 4 enter, like that. You have to give spaces and enter the matrix element. In reshape, it will be reshaped your matrix into this matrix format. You can see here 1 and 2, these are the first two elements will be here, first row, second row. It will be rearranged in the matrix format. Now I have to enter my second matrix element. As my rows and column is same for matrix A and matrix B, so again it will not be asking about how many rows you need or how many columns in the second matrix. So it is common for both matrix A as well as matrix B. So 4 space, 3 space, 2 space, 1. After this, enter. So matrix B is being printed in the matrix format, and the addition of the matrix has been printed as this is matrix C. 1 plus 4 is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5. Again, all this will be equal to 5.